अष्टमः पाठः एय्थ लेसन् नृपस्य आदरेण विश्वामित्रः प्रसन्नः अभवत्. नृपस्य of the king आदरेण by the respect विश्वामित्र प्रसन्नः pleased अभवत् became. नृपस्य आदरेण विश्वामित्रः प्रसन्नः अभवत्. By the hospitality shown by King Dasharatha, Vishwamitra became pleased. Tam cha kushalam aprachat. Tam is him. Him here refers to Dasharatham. So kushalam is well-being. Aprachat asked. So sage Vishwamitra asked King Dasharatha about his well-being. Tam cha kushalam aprachat. Nrupaha avadat. Nrupaha king avadat told. So the king told, Mahamune agamanasya kim karanam. Mahamune, O Mahamuni, O great sage, agamanasya kim karanam. Karanam is reason, kim is what. Agamanasya means of your visit or of your arrival. So, O great sage, what is the reason for your visit? Tava kamam kartum ichhami. Tava, your kamam, desire or wish, kartum, again it is to perform or to fulfill, ichhami, I wish. So tava kamam kartum ichhami, I wish to fulfill your desire, iti, thus. Munihi avadat. Munihi refers to the sage, avadat, told. Bho rajan, tava vachanena prasannaha asmi. Bho rajan, O Raja, O king, tava, your vachanena, by the words, prasannaha, pleased asmi, am. Bho Rajan tava vachanena prasannaha asmi. O king, I am pleased by your words. I am mama kamaha. I am this mama, my kamaha, desire. This is my desire or this is my wish. Yatra aham vane vasami tatra dvau rakshasau api vasataha. Yatra where aham I vane in the forest vasami reside. Tatra there Dvau Rakshasau, two demons, api also vasataha reside. Yatra aham vane vasami, tatra dvau rakshasau api vasataha. Where I reside in the forest, there two demons also reside. Ekaha marichaha nama, anyaha cha subahuhu. Ekaha marichaha nama, one by name Maricha, anyaha another, cha and subahuhu, subahu. So, Ekaha Marichaha Nama Anyaha cha Subahuhu. One by name Maricha and another is Subahu. Dvau api mama yajnasya vignakaro bhavataha. Dvau api, both of them also. Mama, my yajnasya, of the yajna. Vignakaro, Vignakaro means creators of difficulty. Bhavataha. They are. Okay. So dvau api mama yajnasya vignakarau bhavataha. Both of them, they create difficulty in my yajna. So how do they create the difficulty? Tau rudhirena mama vedim sinchataha. Tau, both of them, rudhirena, by blood, mama, my, vedim. Vedi refers to the altar where the yajna is performed. Sinchataha, sprinkle. So, tau rudhirena mama vedim sinchataha. So, both of them, they sprinkle blood where I perform the yajna. So, that's how they create disturbance to the yajna. Tena mama vratabhangaha cha bhavati iti. Tena, because of that, mama, my vratabhangaha. Vrata is a vow or a commitment. Bhangaha means the obstruction or breaking of that vow. So a yajna is a vow. So sage Vishwamitra takes up a vow to perform the yajna, and because of the behavior of these two demons, they sprinkle blood and they cause all forms of havoc. So that vow gets disturbed. So vratabhangaha cha bhavati iti. Raja aprachat. Raja asked. Aprachat is asked. Yadi evam bhavan tau kim na dandayati iti. Yadi, if, evam, it is so. So, yadi evam means if that is so, bhavan, bhavan refers to sage Vishwamitra. Bhavan is a respectful way of saying you. We can think of it like the equivalent of aap in Hindi. So tau refers to both those demons. Kim na dandayati. Kim na dandayati means punish. So kim na dandayati means why don't you punish them? Iti. So Raja aprichat yadi evam bhavan tau kim na dandayati iti. So the king asked. So when Sage Vishwamitra spoke about the disturbance that is caused by these two demons to his yajna, King Dasharatha asked him in turn. So if that is the case, you're a great person, you have great powers. So if they are causing disturbance constantly, why don't you punish them? Okay. So now let us read the lesson once again. Ashtamaha Pathaha Nrupasya Adarena Vishwamitraha Prasannaha Abhavat Tam cha Kushalam Aprachat Nrupaha Avadat Mahamune Agamanasya Kim Karanam Tava Kamam Kartum Ichchami iti Munihi Avadat Bho Rajan Tava Vachanena Prasannaha Asmi Ayam Mama Kamaha Yatra Aham Vane Vasami Tatra Dvau Rakshasau Api Vasataha एकः मारीचः नाम अन्यः च सुबाहुः द्वौ अपि मम यज्ञस्य विघ्नकरौ भवतः तौ रुधिरेण मम वेदीं सिञ्चतः तेन मम व्रतभङ्गः च भवति इति राजा अपृच्छत् यदि एवं भवान् तौ किं न दण्डयति इति